Hello beautiful peeps, we're going to try a 3S battery on this car here right now. Now the original battery is a 7.2 volt nickel metal hydrate, so all we're going to do is fast through that footage and get to the results. We'll fast through the footage for the 2S battery just so that we can get onto the 3S battery as quickly as possible. This is the ZD Racing DBX10 and you're watching John Robinson RC. So now this is the original nickel metal hydride battery. That's the result from the last one that we did. So track start. Let's see what it can do, shall we? Okie dokie. Go to read, stop. Read 29 kilometers per hour. That is a lot less than the alleged 55 kilometers an hour. But well, what can you say? Now let's fit the 2S battery. As you can see, 2S battery is installed, not very well, sliding back and forth, but it's only a quick speed run. So read, that was the 29 from the last time. Start. And we have stop and read. So by changing the light to LiPo, we've got 5 extra. Not bad. Now onto the 3S. So as you can see, the mighty 11.1 volt 35C rechargeable 3S battery is in position. We wanted to record when we plugged it in to see if there's going to be a big bang on the ESC, so I'll turn it around. ESC there. Let's see, shall we? I was told that it can handle it, so let's hope that person's correct. Turning it on. Well, we have that. Do we have drive? Yes, we do. So that's 34 from the last time. Put it in there. Can you see, Colin? Yep. Okay, so now start. Let's see what this 3S can do, shall we? Everybody, don't forget that this is not designed for tarmac. This is a complete basher, but it would be interesting to see how much speed we get out of the 3S battery, wouldn't it? Are you ready, Colin? What? Sorry. Yes, I'm having fun, leave me alone. Okay, Colin, I have to ask, did you expect that out of it?
Not at all.
Not at all, no? What speed do you reckon then? If the last one with the 2S LiPo we got 34, what do you reckon we got now?
55.
Okay, let's take a look. 50. I don't think that's that bad for a brush motor and the amount of weight that it has as well. It's not a light battery, is it? Let's be honest. I am very impressed with that. So let me just quickly turn this off. So, ladies and gentlemen, $129.99 US I bought this for. You've already seen the video where we had a lot of fun on the gravel. 3S battery on the tarmac, you can have a lot of fun on that as well. What can you buy a 3S battery for today? 30, I think I've seen them for. That's not bad if to get 50 kilometers an hour out of this, and I should imagine on gravel with the extra power, that's going to be a lot of fun. So, should you buy one of these, ladies and gentlemen? Colin's nodding away in the background. I think Colin's maybe wishing that we had two. Would you like the brushless version, Colin?
Yes.
You would you? Okay, we have to speak with Banggood. So, I will have the link in the description below. I'll see if I can find some money off coupons for you guys, or I'll have a word with Banggood and see whether they've got any available. And I suggest that you run and buy, because they are a lot of fun. And I forgot to mention this on the last video. We jumped from near on 2 meters up, and there has been no damage on this car whatsoever. We bashed it, we crashed it, we rolled it, and there's no damage. And it looks even better when it's dirty. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you comment below, because all of those things helps the channel grow. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart, and I wish you a great day. Stay safe. Bye-bye. So, sorry about the picture quality reduction. Unfortunately, we packed all the camera equipment away. I just pulled the microphone out here. 3S battery, do not chance it in this vehicle. The reason being that we've just noticed that, ow, it's melted the motor. It is so hot, it's literally melted the motor, and the ESC smells very, very crunchy indeed. So while yes, you can get extra speed out of it, it's not worth it. The 2S battery LiPo, that's fine. That's not going to cause any problems. Ow, I just burnt myself on the motor below. The 3S battery will destroy everything, so do not do it, ladies and gents. You're a little monkey.